Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the problem on Euler's method. So this is our question. Using Euler's method, find the approximate value of y at x equal to 1. Taking h equal to 0.2, given that dy by dx is x plus y and y of 0 equal to 1. So this is the initial condition, this is the linear equation, this is the interval, and this is we have to find the value of y at x equal to 1. So these are the things which we are given. So first we will write dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is equal to x plus y. Then f of xn comma yn will be xn plus yn. Okay, so this you have to remember because this will be used when we draw the table of Euler's method. Now we are given the initial conditions. So initial condition is y of 0 equal to 1. This term will be x and this term is y. So x is 0 and y is 1. So this will be x0, y0. Okay, so we got the initial condition. We have to find y at x equal to 1. Now we are given the interval h equal to 0.2. So we can find the value of n as x minus x0 upon h. So x is 1, x0 is 0, h is 0.2, so n will be 5. So the number of steps are 5, interval is 0.2, our function is xn plus yn, and we have to find the value of y at x equal to 1. So we are going to write all these things in our table. So the first column of table will contain the value of n. And here we will have the first step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. The value of n will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we write the value of xn, yn, f of xn comma yn. What is f of xn comma yn? We have just saw it is xn plus yn. So it is xn plus yn. And in Euler's method, the next term is given by y of n plus 1 is equal to y of n plus h times f of xn comma yn. Okay, so these are the basic things which we should write in Euler's method. So to start with xn, here we have n equal to 0, so it should be x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Similarly y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So here we will write the value of x0. What is x0? x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So x0 is 0, y0 is 1. Then what will be our f of x0 comma y0? It is xn plus yn. In this case, in 0th, when n is 0, x of 0 is 0, y of 0 is 0. So addition of these two terms. So 0 plus 1, 1. To calculate y of n plus 1, n is 0 in first row, n is 0, so 0 plus 1 is nothing but y of 1 equal to y of 0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. So when we calculate this value, it turns out to be y0 is 1 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. H is 0.2, so I am writing here h is 0.2. So 0.2 into f of x0 comma y0, f of x0 comma y0 is 1. So it is nothing but 0.2 into 1 plus 1, so it is 1.2. So y1 is 1.2.